Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to scrap the Google search results using Google Sheet. And I have spent a lot of time on creating this scrapper. It comes in two versions. One is a free version and another one is a premium version. In the free version you can able to scrap up to 10 search results and you can scrap 20 plus searches, and you are limited to a .com domain. And in the premium version there is no restriction on the number of searches and you can able to scrap up to 100 search results, and you can able to scrap from all the supported Google TLDs. And you need to get the API key by signing up from this link, and we are using this API key, or we are relying on the third-party scrapper because we don't want Google to block our request from this Google Sheet. So 1 year ago, I made a video on how to scrap Google search results using pure Google Sheet. But a few months ago, if you see the command, it has started blocking. The Google has detected that the traffic is coming from Google Sheet and started blocking the request. And that's why we rely on this API key or the third-party scrapper to scrap our information. And this third-party scrapper is taking care of handling the captchas and rotating the proxy, and everything will be taken care by them, so that we are relying on them to get the information. And I'm going to show you a demo on how to use that one. The first one that you're seeing is a search query, and here you need to put the search query, what you want to search or the keyword that you want to search. You need to put that here, and you have to select the Google domain. Is it a .com or .co.in or .co.uk or whatever the Google domain that you want to scrap? Select it from the drop down, and number of results. How many number of results that you want to scrap in a single request? So let me go ahead with 30 first. And here you need to put the API key. You can get the API key by clicking on this link uh, and copy the API key and put that on this cell B4. So once this is done, you are done with the settings, and the second tab is a scrapper, and this is where you are going to get the search results. And here you can click on the scrap Google search results. It will also scrap, or there is a custom menu called Google search results scrapper. If you click on that, you can find an option scrap Google search results. You can also use this one to scrap. So when you're running this script for the very first time, you need to give an authorization. It will ask for authorization. So here you can see that authorization is required. It is a one-time authorization that you need to do, so that from the next time it won't ask any authorization and it will continue to work without any issue. Let me show you how to give authorization. Click on continue and select the Gmail account, and sometimes you will see a message like this app isn't verified. This is a still an issue with Google Script. Click on the advanced and click go to, and here you need to click on the allow, and you need to give the permission for these things: view and manage your Google Slides presentation, view and manage your Google Docs document. So these two things are nothing to do with the script. I'm not sure why it's asking for a permission. It might be a bug on Google Script side. And this one is see, edit, create and delete your spreadsheet. Here it's showing that because we are going to populate the search results on the Google Sheet, and that's why you need to give permission for this. And the next one is view and manage your forms, and this script has nothing to do with forms, and I'm not sure why it is showing this permission. And the next one is connect to an external service. So in this script we are using the scrapper, third-party scrapper, to fetch the search results, and that's why you need to give the permission for connecting to an external service and display and run third-party web content in prompts and sidebars inside Google application. So once you are executed that, we will, or if there is any mistake on the settings, I will show a pop-up with help from YouTube video in the form of HTML, and that's why it's asking for this permission. So once you are reviewed this, click on allow, So now you have seen a message, authorization successful. That's it, you're done with the authorization. Now you can go here and put your search query. Now I'm fine with this search query long tail keywords. I will go to Scraper, just dismiss this one and go to Google Search Results Scraper and run the Scraper search results. So now you can see that it's scrapped all the informations, and we have given 30, and you can see the 30 search results here, and the results in a order, and its title and its URL. And if this search results contain any published date or modified date, that will be shown in the column D and metadata description. So I have given long tail keywords. Let's go to Google and put that here. So let's do a comparison with the actual Google search results for the search query long tail keywords. I have searched for keyword long tail keywords, and the first search results is used, and the second one is a word stream. The first is used, and here the second one is a word stream. That's it, everything is working fine. And let's do one more search. Let me search for maybe corona latest news, and I want to scrap 100 search results now. And if you want to change the domain, you can, but I'm fine with .com. Let's go to Scraper, Google search results Scraper. Click on this menu and click on Scrap Google search results. Now the existing search results will be cleared, and it will scrap the new search results from Google. So if you see here, it's scrapped all the information, title, URL, and here you can see the last published minutes and days as well. So this one is published 6 minutes ago, and you can find the metadata description and all other informations up to 100 searches, because we have selected the number of results as 100, and that's why it's scrapped up to 100 search results from Google. And this archive tab is just for your use, and if you want to move the old search results to somewhere, you can use this archive tab for that. And that's it for this video. In the YouTube description, you can find a link to get the trial version as well as premium version. And if you have any doubts or running into any issues, please do let me know. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.